Hi guys, hope you're having a good day, working hard. Got another new math thing, but Adam, we got to do our frame the lesson, right? So here we go. Frame the lesson, frame the lesson, frame the lesson, frame the lesson. And actually our lesson frame this week or today is a little bit different. We've changed it and it says, I can use concrete and pictorial models to compose and decompose numbers up to 120 in more than one way. So remember when I talked about we've got the picture or the model, and then we made the number yesterday in the video, and then we talked about taking the number and making it into what the picture of that number shows. Okay, so we are talking about different ways using the picture to make the number or making the number to use the picture. So that's what it means decompose and compose. You're taking it apart or you're putting it together, right? So here is what we are going to look at today. We have a whole bunch of these little ones all over the place. We got to figure out how we are going to combine them, put them together in certain ways to figure out the number and how to write this. Okay, so the first thing we probably should do is know that we should start looking at this and counting by tens, right? So to figure out how many tens and how many ones this picture has. So the way I would start doing that is I would start by just counting out 10. And as I'm counting them out, I'm going to cross through them. That means I've used them. Because if I don't mark through them, I'm going to forget what I've counted and what I have not. Okay? So I'm going to start with that. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have just made one group of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and write one of my 10 rods right there. Okay? But I'm not done because I have a lot more to go. So I'm going to keep going on this and see how far we can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I just made another group of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that down. All right? I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just made another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just made another group. Let's see how far I can go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10, and I have one little one floating out here. So I know that if I have 5 groups of 10, in order to figure out what this number is, I should skip count by 10. So I have 5 groups of 10. So let's go ahead and skip count. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I had the one little baby floating out here by himself. So we have 51, right? I have, in my tens place, I have 5 because I had 5 10 rods. In my ones place, I had 1 because that one was floating out there by himself, not in a group. So sometimes you will have pictures like this that you will have to figure out. How many groups of 10 do I have? How many ones do I have? You might even have a big old group with 100 or more that you have to make into groups. So this is what you do if you have a picture and you need to figure out, I'm trying to figure out place value, tens, ones, hundreds. This is how you would do it. Okay, this is a very short lesson today, very quick, very easy, and I hope that you take the time and go back and watch this video again if you need to. But this is our math for today, And tomorrow's lesson will actually include a fun game that we will do. So tune back in tomorrow and learn a new math game. Have a good day.